Cleaning a grimy bathtub can be a daunting task, but there are several options to make the process easier. You can use natural cleaning products like grapefruits and salt, or commercial products designed for tub cleaning. Start by washing away any grit and hair using your shower head or a cup of water. If there's a lot of hair and debris, wipe it away before rinsing the tub. For a natural scrub, cut a grapefruit in half, cover it with salt, and scrub the tub. Alternatively, create a scrub using baking soda, castile soap, and essential oil. Vinegar can also be used as a spray to remove bacteria and stains. To remove rust stains, make a paste with baking soda and water. Borax and lemon can be effective on hard stains. It's important to practice everyday cleaning by rinsing the tub after each use. When cleaning, wear gloves to protect your skin and choose a sponge or brush that isn't abrasive. Once a month, use a deep cleaner specifically designed for showers. Before using any cleaner, test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't damage or discolor the tile.